Hey guys, welcome to Ham Radio with K0PIR and my YouTube channel. I've got a new toy in the shack. It's the Acom1000 and I'm going to show you how I tune it up. Okay, let's take a look at the radio first. I'm using the Icom7610 and I'm going to check the power output. The RF power is set to 40%. That's all I've been using. Next, I want to turn off the antenna tuner. I have an external LDG AT600 Pro 2 auto tuner and I don't need it with this antenna. So I've got it disabled. Next thing I want to do is put it in RTTY mode and I want to find a clear and free frequency. There's nobody on this one. I've been listening to it for about 10 or 15 minutes and nobody's been on it. Okay, over at the Acom1000, I have this preset. And I have the band on 14, the tune approximately where it should be, and the load approximately where it should be. And I'll show you how I do that. I don't put stickers all over my amplifier. Let's take a look at the software I'm using. This is DX Lab Suite Commander, and in Commander I can use the filters and devices button. I've got it set up for the amplifier. You can see the Acom1000 here, and it tells me on this frequency I should have it set to 14, the band switch to 14, the tune to 50, and the load to 29. Now I have to set this up manually. I do that by hitting the config button and go through this table and set up the band, the tune, and the load. But I have to go ahead and tune it up and then enter in the information here. Then I save it. When I tune up and down the band, this tells me approximately where I need to have the tune and the load set. Alright, let's go back to the Acom1000. Okay, now I turned up the power on the Icom7610 to 60 watts of output. So on the Acom amplifier, I normally have the operate button turned off. And I'm going to go back to the TRI screen, True Resistance Indicator screen. Hit the operate button. Now it's ready to go. I have my knobs in the approximate position, and we'll see how long it takes to tune it up. And boy, I had it right on the money. I didn't have to even tune anything. Let's take a look at the drive power. 53 watts. And the output power, this is the forward power less the reflective power. So about 870 watts. That's not too bad. This is a used amplifier. Okay, well that tune up was so quick I didn't even have to move the knobs, and that happens quite a bit, especially on 20 meters on that frequency, because I've been on there quite a bit. And I'll show you what it looks like on 80 meters. I'll go to 80 meters. I've got the radio set and it's in RTTY mode. And the RF power is at 60%, but as you saw, the drive power was about 53 watts, and that's okay. I've got the antenna tuner and bypass, just like before. Now we'll go over to the Acom, and I'm going to put it in operate mode. When I get to the TRI screen, I need to switch the band switch, and according to DX Lab Suite Commander and the Acom1000 that I've got in there, the tune should be at 35 and the load should be at 50. Okay, and there's nobody on the frequency. I'm going to go ahead and hit the tune and we'll see what happens. Okay, that's it. And it doesn't take very long. Let's take a look at the next screen. The output power, 847 watts. And that is with 54 watts. So this is a used amplifier like I mentioned. Okay, I'll have more information on my website, www.k0pir.us. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button below, and if you want to be notified when I put out new videos, ring that bell. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Also tell your friends. 73 and good DX.